Did you ever wonder how it feels like watching your favorite Thai series directly from LineTV app? Or just by curiosity? Or being obsessed like me? So let me teach you how we can use our LineTV app here in our country. Just download the LineTV app, link will be on the description since it is not available at Google Play Store. Let's try to use the app for normal and try to watch our favorite series and see what will happen next. And then it shows it is not available in my area and sorry for the inconvenience. But just like video, we can find ways. So what we're going to do now is go to Google Play Store and download Solo VPN. Bear with me for a moment. Then finally, so let's just wait up until app was successfully installed. Open the app, click the auto option and then choose Thailand and then click connect. Then wait for it. After successfully connected to Thailand IP address, what we're going to do is we're going to open LineTV app again. But remember that we need to remove the LineTV app from recent use apps or from the history and open it again. Now open the app, log in using your Facebook or Line account, and allow all the permissions required. After we successfully logged in, let's try now to watch our favorite series and see what will happen next. There you go. Watch our favorite series directly to LineTV app without any problem. The only thing that I noticed is that there's no subtitles available. Well, at least we tried and experienced how it feels like watching it directly to LineTV app. And just like what they said, we don't need to understand them per word, but by heart. Thank you so much for watching and always have an amazing day.